This refrigerator Samsung is got a restriction in the filter dryer, and it's getting too long to remove the heat inside the fridge. After installing the new one, it's getting cold so fast. If you have any problem with the
The new fridge.
refrigerators, can you call us and we can help you? Thank you.
Yeah, almost 15 minutes. So still, it's a touch screen stop work. But the power got on off 4 5 times. And touch screen stop working.
Yes.
Big bucks.
It's big bucks. Five. Okay, it's ready. Everything is working fine again.